thank you for watching and bye bye, good night. La, good night kore. Laddu, kuch to pada karo.
What to do?
What to do? Oh no.
त्यति रजिलो सुन्दैन
तपाईलाई सोध्नु एउटा क्वेशन. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel once again. So today we two are here to answer GK questions. Yes, and there were 3. That's why we wrote it in one notebook. And now we will ask to whom to ask. Pasna sister, come here. Come here. She got the prize in Environment Day vlog, you know that? Who got the Nobel Prize for Peace?
बहिनी मेरो बेइज्जत नगर
Ria, you have to tell in English, Pratashna, come in first. Who got Nobel Prize for Peace? You don't know?
No.
You don't know?
Call
Then
my
tell
friend.
me. No, I asked you only.
No. I need help. No.
If you don't know, tell me.
Guys.
You don't know? Laddu, kuch to pada
You know
karo.
the answer. That's why like you're very confident, but I don't know the answer.
That's very easy.
You say the answer then.
Why to say? Sir told don't say that.
Ask guys. Ask me. Ask me, Lama. She's topper. She's topper of class 7.
Where is Mingma? I called you. Come here. Who got the Nobel Prize for Peace?
Guys, I don't know. म एक्लै लब्धो हैन guys. You can see. म थाहा छैन.
You don't know?
हेरेको तर मैले बिर्से अनि
Laddu.
के लड्डु.
Pratibadi, come here.
Class 12. Class 12.
Class 12. Come here, class 12. Come here. Come here. Excuse me, class 12, Didi. Nobel Prize for Peace. Who got the Nobel Prize for Peace? I don't know.
Class 12.
Myself, but that's enough.
अरे कुछ तो पढ़ा करो. Class 12, no?
Class 12 भन्दै यार. I'm very bad at GK questions. साच्चै.
Pihu Didi. Where is Pihu Didi? Pihu Didi. Hi, no. No Pihu Didi, come here. No Pihu Didi. Now we'll have to understand Didi. Come here. Who got the Nobel Prize for Peace? Wait. Who got the Nobel Prize for Peace? Wrong. Who got the Nobel Prize for Peace?
Buddha.
Wrong.
I don't know. Mother Teresa.
Yes. Correct. Right answer. First person to answer the first question correct. To whom?
It's the right.
Yes, it's the right. Mother Teresa, Rabindranath Tagore, right answer.
No light, you guys.
Unless her.
यो चाहिँ प्रजातिले भनेको हैन यो चाहिँ गीत चलिरहेको
मलाई थाहा थियो रविन्द्रनाथ टेगोर.
Next. Sanskriti. Hi. Which gas is present inside the sun? के भन्यो फेरि भन त. Which gas is present inside the sun? Laddu. Aradhya. Oi Aradhya. Come here. Oh, sorry. Which gas is present inside the sun?
मलाई थाहा छैन
Laddu is laddu. Not laddu.
मलाई के
Okay. Deep song, Didi. Which gas is present inside the sun?
Huh?
Which gas is present inside the sun?
Yes.
Huh?
Carbon.
Wrong answer.
थाहा छैन.
Sorry, I don't know.
Go you. You go. You have. Oh, sorry. I'm very sorry. Okay, sorry. Yogita Didi, come here.
I'm busy right now.
Which gas is present inside the sun?
फेरि भन त.
Which gas is present inside the sun? I don't know. Honest reply. Which gas is present inside the sun?
Hydrogen.
Nope. Close.
Carbon.
No.
Helium.
Yes! Right answer! Clap, clap! The answer is helium gas. Oh! I'll ask you some questions.
Okay.
First Indian to go into space. I didn't ask you.
Rakesh Sharma.
Yes! Oh, again I'll ask you. Come here. Easy. This is your goal. Come here. Come here. I will ask you something. First person to walk on the moon.
Neil Armstrong.
Yes! Now only 2 questions are left. Now your turn. No. Krishnada, which country has no army?
Pakistan.
Down. You also come in front.
Sandy.
Behudi. I'll ask you a question. Which country has no army?
बोलाऊ ना यत्रो बोलाउँदैछु
Which country has no army?
Vietnam.
No.
जापान
No. Iceland. Yes.
त्यत्रो भन्दैछु सेन्डी
Very good. Very good. एउटा सानो नानीले त Now last one.
सेन्डी बोलाउँदैछु
Catch this, my hand is spinning a lot. Where is Krishadi? Krishadi, come here. Come here. I'm gonna ask you. Wait, stop. Come on, question. No, you told the answer. Which country is lost on galaxy?
Which country is lost?
Which planet?
Oh, Pluto.
Good. तपाईँलाई सोध्नु एउटा क्वेसन I talk in English. I have talk in Nepali. What to do? What to do? Oh no. Wait. They are fighting? Yes. What is inside of? I think so. Catch this. Slowly. I got very badly, guys. Guys. Mori. So guys, आजको vlog